I have to replace my intake manifold runner actuators.
Edit the actuator arms, not the actuators themselves, Dur.
Because it's a Volkswagen Phaeton. I don't want to do this. It's probably not that big of a deal. It probably is. Fuck. Shit. Alright. I got silicone spray, replacement arms, some hand tools. It's probably fine. Step one. Yeet this thing off. Pretty sure this one shouldn't be collapsed. It's probably fine. This wire here, I'm pretty sure I was supposed to get the 1 inch. I have them on order. I bought both. The 2 inch long is easier to get. The 1 inch you have to get from China, so pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to finish this today. But maybe, I don't know. We'll try something. Alright. Start by taking off the wire. It doesn't need to be here. Ugh. Barf. Let's take this apart. Alright. That doesn't need to be there. And then this one, it has a wire. Oh man, they twisted the hell out of this one. Twist, twist, twist. This is gonna be a two-parter when I end up having to realize I gotta wait until the 1 inch connecting businesses arrive. Alright. Extraction. So I thought these little bellows were gonna be frozen. They still actuate. Oh, did I just spear that? Whoops, don't do that. These actuate. But I am gonna need the 1 inchers. This is definitely not the 2 inch deal. 6 days later. Alright, round two. We got the 1 inch arms and a little removal deal and a clipper on deal and a silicone deal. I'm gonna do a speed run here. Replacing those. Yeah, this is a hose tool. It's probably not meant for this. I mean, it's absolutely not meant for this. Yeah, you can bust it off the bottom. Oh, that kind of worked. All right. Oh. Wow. Alright, get my hands free and pull this open. Garbage. Okay, we got little baby arms. Take my strong hand. Alright, let's pre-lube these before I put them on the car. Unlike last time. Let it drip down on my super tight hood. Don't go. So I can start it here. Can't remember what I did last time. There. Okay. Get that one started. Work it around. I'm gonna grab the pliers and get that one set up. So let's grab the other one. Hope for the best. It's gonna break. Alright. Little bellow came out. Adjust this. So they're friends. There we go. This is the setup I've got because I didn't bring any better equipment. So we're gonna run these cookies together and it's gonna be dope. And then I'm gonna get inside and try to actuate them throttles and see if it's like dope or not. Alright, I'm gonna rev it a few times and just see if they actuate. Might make a difference if it's under load or not. I'm gonna have to go take it for a test drive. Alright, let's drive this thing and see if it's any better. It was already pretty good, so I'm probably not gonna notice anything. But it's gonna make a difference under load versus just revving it in a parking lot. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that might be something. Alright, checking off. Oh, yeah. So that's how it's supposed to run. Got it. I've just been driving this thing around for 4 weeks. Torque curves all the way off. No big deal. It's fine. They totally wouldn't spend millions of dollars engineering intake runners to do magical vacuum sucky blowy things. It's fine. It's totally fine. Alright, let's put this bitch on the freeway. Let's see what happens. We're gonna go around the corner here, get on the freeway, and then, I don't know, maybe it'll be magic? Turning. Oh! Oh my god. I get it. Oh, no, never mind, that's... okay. Definitely the speed things. So I can keep up with this Ultima. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna probably shut this down. I think we won. Got shit blowing out my goddamn windows. Whoops. Deuces.